Man lost his life by carjackers in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The family of 53-year-old Dwight Abrahams are distraught over his seller's murder at the hands of carjackers on Tuesday night. Abrahams, an art electrician of Middlesex District, Blackstone-Henge in St. Anne, was brutally shot and taken out by unknown assailants in Monique in the parish on Tuesday, May 31st. A brother of the deceased man, Craig Abraham, tweeted yesterday morning, "Heartbroken and tore. Gunman snuffed out the life of my brother last night in carjacking in St. Anne's." Several other persons reacted to the horror and sent their condolences to the family. Reports from the Monique police are that at around 8:30 p.m., Abraham was at a business establishment in Monique area when a gold motor car drove up and two men alighted from the motor car. The men entered the establishment and demanded money and the keys to his motor vehicle. After handing over his keys, one of the men brandished a handgun and shot him in the upper part of the body. The men then escaped in Abraham's Toyota Wish motor car. The police were alerted and he was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.